Are you one of those who want to become a data scientist? Are you still confused who data scientist is or what data science do? Well, data science is not about making complex models or awesome predictions or awesome visualizations. Data science is to explore data as much as we can. So let us see what data is. Data is a precious thing and will last longer than the system itself. It is a raw ingredient such as numbers, quantities, information, graphs, measurement, observation, facts, and from which statistics can be recorded and created. In simple terms, we can say anything that can be recorded is data. For example, sound, table of numbers, sequence of bits are data. But can we say that moon rock specimen is a data? Well, no. In case its image, weight, and height can be data, but moon rock specimen itself is not a data. So, what is data science? Data science is an art of uncovering the insights and trends in data. It tells how this process of converting data into a meaningful output works. It can be represented through a Venn diagram. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithms, and statistics to extract knowledge and insights from structural and unstructural data. It is related to data mining. Have you heard some myths about data scientists or data science? Well, let's see. Is data science is an art or science? Well, data science is a science. It's and less of art. If we want to travel from Delhi to Indore or Delhi to Agra, what we usually do? We check a Google map and follow the shortest route it's shown by the Google map. But in earlier days, this decision was made by humans themselves. Nowadays, this decision is made by science based on facts and data. So, data science is more of a science and not an art. Next myth is data science hype or reality? Data science is not a different field. It is reality. People are using it every day. Good domain knowledge with statistics is all you need for data science. So, who is data scientist? Person who is good at both domains, that is statistics and software engineering, can be a data scientist. It should also have effective communications, intellectual curiosity, domain industry knowledge, and analyst and problem solving capability. So, effective communication is required to understand the data well. And data scientist should have a habit to ask questions so that he can gain insights out of data. And domain knowledge is required and can be gained by reading lots and lots of articles and exploring various domains. And the person should be able to solve critical problems by critical thinking. Now let's see what all different problems are solved by data scientists. First question is this A or B? This problem is referred as classification. This problem classifies the object into a predefined category. For example, if we say reservation in colleges, the outcome are two possible outcomes, either qualify or do not qualify. So we have divided the outcome on two categories. For example, we can say that is it a sunny day or a rainy day? So classification is the first and foremost problem which is solved by data scientists. Second problem is anomaly detection. Anomaly detection is identifying outliers or miscellaneous or wrong data. Let's say, for example, if in a company a person is working on a system and person is really slow and hardly surf on internet, suddenly that system starts responding fast. So it is an alarming situation and therefore investigation is needed. This is called as anomaly detection. Third problem is regression. Regression means how many or how much. It requires a continuous measurement of a continuous variable, predicting a continuous number. Fourth problem is clustering, or how the data is organized. It means grouping similar kind of data into clusters. For example, if you take an example of a credit card company, how does credit card company works? What is the objective of credit card company? The objective is to sell more number of credit cards as much as possible. So how credit card companies sell credit cards to customers? It is through customer segmentation. Let's say there are two types of customers: one who is shopaholic, who shops more, and one who travels a lot. So credit card companies introduces two kind of offers, one for shopaholic persons and one for the person who travel more. On the same credit card, they will give more advantages and more bonus points for that particular category. And this is called as clustering. Credit card companies is classifying or grouping together customers based on their based on the requirements. And the last type of problem solved by data scientists is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is something which learning from the past experience and updating ourselves. For example, a cat is sitting and it changes position to walking in expectation of a reward, but cat fails to get a reward. So it will learn from past experience and will improve its speed or direction of moving to attain a reward. This method of trial and error is called reinforcement learning. So, this is a general idea of various problems solved by data scientists. Various applications of data science are customer acquisition strategy, recommender systems, healthcare, genetic analysis, banking and finance fraud detection, and risk management. I hope some of your doubts are clear through this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, Rapid Research with Us. Thank you.